As the global population continues to grow and urbanize, it becomes increasingly important to find new ways to sustainably produce and consume food. Innovations in biotechnology and vertical farming are poised to revolutionize the way we eat and address the challenges posed by climate change, resource scarcity, and rising demand for high-quality, nutritious food. In this video, we'll explore the future of food, focusing on how biotechnology and vertical farming are changing the way we eat. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. The impact of biotechnology on the future of food. Biotechnology has been a driving force behind many of the advancements in food production and agriculture over the past few decades. Genetic modification, for example, has allowed scientists to create crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and environmental stressors, resulting in higher yields and reduced reliance on harmful pesticides. But biotechnology's potential impact on the future of food extends far beyond GMOs. Lab-grown meat. One of the most promising applications of biotechnology in the food industry is the development of lab-grown meat, also known as cultured or cell-based meat. This innovative approach to meat production involves cultivating animal cells in a lab setting, rather than raising and slaughtering livestock. Lab-grown meat has the potential to significantly reduce the environmental impact of traditional livestock farming, which is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. Additionally, lab-grown meat can help address ethical concerns surrounding animal welfare and reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Precision fermentation. Precision fermentation is another biotechnology-based innovation that is set to disrupt the food industry. This process involves using microorganisms, such as yeast or bacteria, to produce specific proteins, fats, or other food components in a controlled environment. By fine-tuning the fermentation process, scientists can create novel ingredients or replicate existing ones, such as dairy proteins or plant-based meat substitutes. This approach could lead to the development of more sustainable, healthier, and even tastier food products in the future. CRISPR and gene editing. CRISPR and other gene editing technologies are also poised to play a significant role in the future of food. By precisely editing the DNA of plants and animals, scientists can create new breeds and varieties with desirable traits, such as increased nutritional content, improved taste, or better resistance to diseases. This technology has the potential to accelerate crop breeding and livestock improvement, enabling the development of more resilient and productive food systems. Vertical farming, a sustainable solution for urban agriculture. As cities continue to grow and expand, traditional agricultural practices are becoming increasingly untenable. Vertical farming offers a sustainable solution to this problem, enabling the cultivation of crops in urban environments using significantly less land, water, and energy than conventional methods. Controlled environment agriculture. Vertical farming relies on controlled environment agriculture (CE) techniques, which involve growing plants in carefully monitored indoor environments. These systems often use hydroponics, aeroponics, or aquaponics to deliver nutrients directly to the plant's roots, eliminating the need for soil. By controlling factors such as temperature, humidity, and light exposure, vertical farmers can optimize growing conditions to increase crop yields and reduce the need for pesticides and other chemical inputs. Energy-efficient lighting. LED lighting technology has played a crucial role in the development of vertical farming. These energy-efficient lights can be customized to emit specific wavelengths of light, which can help optimize photosynthesis and improve plant growth. Additionally, LEDs generate less heat than traditional light sources, allowing for closer placement to the plants and more efficient use of space. Integration with renewable energy sources. Vertical farms can also be integrated with renewable energy sources, such as solar panels or wind turbines, to further reduce their environmental impact. By harnessing clean energy to power their operations, vertical farms can contribute to a more sustainable and resilient food system. Reduced water usage. One of the most significant benefits of vertical farming is its ability to dramatically reduce water usage compared to traditional agriculture. By recirculating water through closed-loop systems and using precise irrigation methods, vertical farms can use up to 95% less water than conventional farms. This is particularly important in arid regions and urban areas where water scarcity is a growing concern. Localized food production. Vertical farming allows for the production of fresh, nutritious food in close proximity to urban populations, reducing the need for long-distance transportation and associated greenhouse gas emissions. By producing food locally, vertical farms can help improve food security and reduce the carbon footprint of our food systems. The challenges and limitations of biotechnology and vertical farming. Despite their promise, biotechnology and vertical farming also face several challenges and limitations that need to be addressed to ensure their widespread adoption and success. Regulatory hurdles. Both lab-grown meat and genetically modified organisms face regulatory hurdles that can slow down their development and commercialization. As these technologies continue to evolve, it will be important for governments and regulatory agencies to strike a balance between ensuring safety and promoting innovation. Consumer acceptance. Consumer acceptance of biotechnology-derived foods and vertical farming products is another potential barrier to widespread adoption. Educating the public about the safety, benefits, and sustainability of these innovations will be critical to overcoming skepticism and fostering demand. Economic viability. The economic viability of biotechnology and vertical farming is also a concern, as these technologies often require significant upfront investments and ongoing operational costs. However, as the technologies mature and economies of scale are realized, it's expected that the cost of production will decrease, making these solutions more competitive with traditional food production methods. The future of food is inextricably linked to advancements in biotechnology and vertical farming. These innovations hold the potential to address many of the challenges facing our global food system, including climate change, resource scarcity, and the growing demand for high-quality, nutritious food. By harnessing the power of biotechnology and vertical farming, we can create a more sustainable, resilient, and equitable food system for all. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more informative content. And, as promised at the beginning of this video, here's an interesting fact. Did you know that vertical farming can produce up to 350 times more food per square meter than traditional agriculture? Now that's a game changer for the future of food production.